Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. The Coleman Sundome Camping Tent is an amazing choice for those looking to get into camping at reasonable prices. Well, this amazing tent is among the most reviewed tents in the market. A classic dome structure with a door and its vented roof makes pitching it more easy. As it comes with a simple design and offers economy, its floor is also a simple polyethylene material. If we talk about comfort and space, this tent has a minimal height and is built from thick, warm materials. Though this Coleman Sundome is not designed to provide high comfort, its Sundome feature, floor vent and open ceiling accommodate that part. Also, it comes with 63 square foot of space and weighs 9.8 pounds. It is still a best choice for a family of 4 members. The essential elements are also covered, like it has 2 pockets on the floor, fits 2 twin beds easily, and contains minimal rainfly. Moreover, pitching this tent only takes up to 5 minutes and 43 seconds. However, some malfunctions are reported about the tent, including plastic hooks for flies and fiberglass poles. And there are some complaints about netting material. But this budget tent can be a feasible choice for first-timers. Mallow Me Sleeping Bags. The Mallow Me Camping Sleeping Bag has a lot of appealing characteristics. It keeps you warm on chilly evenings and is built of breathable material to allow ventilation on hot nights. It was designed to be used in harsh situations between 35 and 85 degrees. The bag is lightweight and comfortable to carry, weighing little more than 4 pounds for a single bag and slightly less than 6 pounds for a double. Mallow Me sticks to all the tried and true design features that make it a great sleeping bag, while also adding a couple of their unique touches to set their product apart. Consequently, you'll have a dependable and efficient outdoor item that's suitable for all seasons and scenarios. This sleeping bag is made entirely of polyester and offers great durability and insulation. The high-quality cloth is both breathable and waterproof, useful in some harsh situations. The design also allows you to release your feet for added comfort and breathability, and have an adjustable drawstring for tucking yourself in. It also comes with a convenient drawstring bag, making it an excellent addition to your camping gear collection. To top it off, this sleeping bag is simple to care for and machine washable. Freelaxy Camping Pillow. The blend of shredded enhanced memory foam and cotton refill in the Freelaxy Camping Pillow provides home-like comfort and excellent resilience without flattening. It won't make unpleasant noises when turning over. The style of this pillow provides maximum support for your head and neck, whether you sleep on your back or side. It is a fact that spacing is important in your pack, so you'll find it in this bag. Each pillow comes with a compression sack, so roll it up, place it inside, and adjust the straps to compress the cushion to 1/4 of its original size. This function saves 30% more room than a standard storage bag. On sleeping bags, a detachable elastic band on the back of the cushion maintains the pillow in place. It comes with a dual-sided pillowcase that offers luxury comfort to your night in the woods. You can choose to sleep on the warm, micro-suede side on cold nights. Sleeping on the cool, smooth satin side is the finest benefit on hot nights. More arduous inflation and re-inflating are not required. Put it out and let it puff up to full size in about a minute. It allows for machine wash and dryer-safe pillowcase. Allow yourself more time to relax and enjoy your trip. GasOne GS-8300. The GasOne GS-8300 has a clever folding design that saves space without losing output, stability, or ease of operation. It takes up about the same amount of storage space as a 32-ounce water bottle, but the setup and igniting process is as simple as it gets. It has a portable butane stove designed for adaptability and portability. The new Spider stove from GasOne is ideal for campers and backpackers. GasOne's Spider stove, which is roughly the size of a 32-ounce water bottle, uses its stylish compact form without sacrificing the fire output of a large-size portable stove at 8,000 BTU. The Spider stove contains a long-lasting brass burner head, an easy-to-clean enamel covering, and ventilation holes to keep the stove safe and reliable for the user. The intelligent design of the camping stove allows it to fold into a compact space for storage and portability, while still supporting pots and stoves when fully extended outwards. The Spider stove is simple to assemble. First open the lid and spin the body to a 90-degree angle. Extend the grates to their ready position by pulling the center grate outwards. Close the cover after inserting a butane canister into the empty butane compartment. Overmont 12-piece, 14-piece camping cookware. It's fun to go camping with the entire family and enjoy the large, spacious tent while having a wonderful time. If you don't like large groups or need to get away, a calm couples weekend is a great option. It's simple to go on a camping trip for two with the Overmont ultralight camping cookware. Pots and pans and enough bowls and spoons for the two of you are included in the high-quality cookware. The non-slip thermally insulated handles of your frying pan, coffee pot, and pot are made of anodonic oxidation aluminum. This 12-piece set is affordable, but it's also simple to store and pack when you're ready to leave. Many buyers who reviewed the Overmont ultralight camping cooking set raved about how easy it was to pack into their backpacks. Others praised the non-stick surfaces and the quickness with which they could boil water. Overall, the Overmont ultralight camping cooking set fits our list since the little set is ideal for couples seeking a relaxing camping getaway. Plastic-averse individuals should avoid this product. Overall, a fantastic experience. LED headlamp rechargeable. The Lighting Ever headlamp is a powerful alternative that illuminates your path with little effort. The 4 different light settings are variable quantities of these small bulbs to provide a flexible and diverse experience depending on your surroundings. Click on a single button on the lamp's side to cycle among the various modes. The headlight also has a useful red light setting to keep your night vision safe. With this camping headlamp, you'll obtain an unrivaled level of durability. It has IP44 water and shock resistant rating. It may be splattered with liquid from any angle and is protected against items larger than 1 mm. As a result, this lamp is water and snow resistant, making it an excellent choice for outdoor use. While there are headlamps with a brighter light than this one, the 100 lumens are more than enough to keep things illuminated for you. 3 grades of white light brightness and 2 kinds of red light are available with this headlight. The 150 lumen LEDs can illuminate up to 150 feet away. It may last up to 30 hours on a single charge and is compatible with any USB port. It is a long-lasting light that features a polyethylene coating intended to protect it from being scratched or dropped in any order. Heavy rain or splashing water, on the other hand, is no longer an issue while utilizing it for any outdoor activities. Hydrocell stainless steel water bottle. Due to the remarkable features of Hydrocell's double wall, the vacuum-insulated bottle is one of the best. Hydrocell, like other manufacturers, keep your liquids cold for 24 hours and hot for 8. The BPA-free stainless steel bottles come in a variety of colorful hues. You'll also get 2 tops, a stainless steel screw cap and a bonus sports cap with a built-in straw. The non-sweating feature and effective grip are the best features of the Hydrocell water bottles. The stainless steel construction keeps the liquid at the proper temperature. Most people frequently lose their bottle lids, rendering the bottle nearly worthless. A flexible top is included with the Hydrocell bottle. The lids are also stainless steel and the attachment is extremely sturdy. Sports lovers have experimented and designed the bottle. This stainless steel water bottle is the ideal requirement for hydration, whether you're hiking, camping, kayaking, or rock climbing. The bottle was designed to meet the needs of both outdoor and urban hydration. The water bottle is composed of 18 by 8 grade stainless steel, which is BPA-free and insulated to keep the water hot or cold for hours. SleepingGo Sleeping Pad. The Sleepingo Sleeping Pad is a fantastic choice for campers who frequently switch air mattresses due to unforeseen circumstances. The Sleepingo Camping Sleeping Pad is ultra-light and extremely comfy without weighing you down. The cushion is ideal for backcountry camping and hiking as it keeps you comfy regardless of the terrain. The material is water and rip resistant so that you can sleep well with minimal disruptions. The nylon material is quiet and flexible, and it will stay inflated all night long. It works well in any sleeping position. It is also quite lighter, making it ideal for backpacking. Because of its ultra-robust and damage-resistant heavy-duty fabric design, it does not tear or pop when motions occur on its surface. The Sleepingo Sleeping Pad's construction ensures that it will last a long time. It's easy to set up and take down, and it's just a few minutes. The Sleepingo Sleeping Pad may be fully inflated in 10 to 15 breaths. Deflating it takes less than 5 seconds as well. If weight and storage space is a major concern when camping, the Sleepingo Sleeping Pad is exactly what you need. It's lightweight, compact, and simple to fold. Swiss+Tech ST53100. The tool is well made of stainless steel and it keeps in good form when tossed in a pocket with keys. The tools are easy to remove, save for one deadly fault. A few key ring-sized multi-tool focus on a screwdriver-pliers combination. Swiss+Tech has a Micro Pro that is very comparable. This set of pliers includes a large and small version, wire cutters, strippers, and Phillips flat screwdrivers. There appears to be a bottle opener as well. However, it isn't especially practical. The ability to lock the pliers on a keyring is a fantastic feature that allows the tool to function as a key fob. You can also use the tools like this for most maintenance DIY jobs, like messing with the insides of a computer and other similar activities. The screwdriver points appear to be in good condition, and the pliers themselves are pretty gripping. The curved form makes it difficult to find a comfortable grip for unscrewing, but it's all functional. However, after only a short time using the tool, the mechanism has gotten increasingly loose, to the point that the pliers handles swing freely, rendering the instrument completely useless. You can't use the pliers or screwdriver without causing the whole thing to wobble. So, sadly, this is completely unfit for purpose. Cliq Camping Chair. The chair comes fully assembled. Open the Velcro strap and press the release button on the bottom to extend the legs. Then lengthen the upper telescopic tubes. They claim a 5-second setup, but 15 seconds is still fast enough to call it an instant chair. To close the tubes, press the small pop-up buttons on each of the upper tubes, and they will collapse. Then, to fold the legs, press the main bottom button. The seat is coupled to the frame, made of aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, and has 4 legs and 4 top poles. The most significant component is the hub, which is likewise made of aluminum and can be seen below as the yellowish section. Non-skid firm rubber is used on the feet. Ripstop ballistic nylon fabric is used. For added durability, you have double stitching. As a result, everything is made with high-quality craftsmanship and lasting materials. Its tiny footprint, paired with its ease of setup and takedown, makes it an excellent choice for various applications. It's ideal for children's athletic activities, family get-togethers, and camping trips. Also, the materials utilized are of high quality, and it feels very solid. This Cliq camping chair is the chair for you if you want something truly distinctive. The remarkable packed size of this chair is due to the innovative design. It makes it so adaptable to camping, the beach, sporting events or open-air concerts, and just about everything else.